I need to be still and let God love me. What a wonderful reminder of the presence and power of Spirit right here and right now, and of our ability to simply sit back and relax and open to receive that love of Spirit, that ever-present, unconditional love of Spirit. And so as we focus our attention on our heart center, just allowing the breath to take care of itself, we can let that go. The universe breathes us all the time anyway, so we just let the breath take care of itself. We allow the chair to support us. And we simply sit back, focusing on that love, focusing on that stillness. The daily word today reminded us that forgiveness takes place in our own consciousness. It is not dependent on anyone outside of ourselves. And the truth of who we are as Spirit means that we are unconditional love. In our truest nature, in our vital sense, the who we are of who we are is that unconditional loving presence. And the thing about unconditional love is that it can't judge. God has never judged you for anything you have ever done. God is simply waiting for us to be still and receive that limitless love flowing from Spirit through us and out into the world. And so we take a deep breath of that loving in. We allow that deep breath to expand our heart. We allow the light of Spirit to fill every cell of our body. As we feel into that light, we expand it into an orb of light, an orb fully encompassing every cell of your body, fully surrounding every bit of who and what you are. This living light of love that is Spirit, that is you, permeates every cell, infuses every thought, uplifts every feeling. This light, which is so loving, we can feel into it. We can feel the power of it, the presence of it, the energy in it, the warmth, the compassion, the love, the support. Whatever it is that you feel you need right now, that light has it for you in an overflowing abundance that is more than you could ever receive or ever use or ever give away. And so in this time of meditation, we can sit back into that light, allowing it to love us, to provide whatever energy we need right now, to release any judgments, any fears, any misbeliefs, and allow that light to transmute them back into the nothingness from which they came. Let's take a moment together now, friends, in the light and in the silence. Knowing that the Christ of our being is awake and alive and active in us and as us and through us right here and right now. And knowing that this light is our true nature and is a benefit and a blessing to every workers. We can, through our conscious intention, work the light right here and right now. And so allow that light that is surrounding your body now to extend into a brilliant column of beautiful white light, Anchor that column deep into the earth and extend the top of it out into the cosmos, radiating and shining as a beacon for anybody seeking a new thought, a new way of being, a new life, a new expression of their own divinity, drawing them here to this place where they can be loved and appreciated and accepted just as they are. As light workers, we can place these columns of light anywhere we want. Anywhere we perceive needs a blessing, anywhere we perceive needs more joy, more light, more bliss, anything that we perceive could be benefited by the light. And so we can take a moment together now to visualize these columns of light being planted through our loving hearts anywhere on the planet you perceive they are needed, with any person, with any situation, knowing that as the light of spirit they bring forward only the highest good of all concerned and remained anchored as a beacon for all. For thousands and thousands of years, countless people have been doing similar practices of anchoring the light into this planet. As such, we know that there is so much more light here than anything else. And we as light workers contribute to that. It is a blessing and a benefit to be the Christ as only we can, expressing and sharing this light. And so in gratitude for this time in the silence, this time of letting God love us, this time for expressing that love as the light, here and anywhere in the cosmos we perceive it is needed, we give our thanks. And taking a deep breath, we allow our attention to begin to come back into the room, back into our bodies as we wiggle our fingers and our toes, noticing the chair has supported us all along and that we are still breathing as the universe breathes us. With a deep breath of gratitude, and when you are ready, open your eyes and be here now.